Just started up this Goodman. Listen to it. That's not me, that's that unit right there. Oh. Did bring the flue pipe up. It's that furnace that they just ran the flue pipe into the attic. This is a gas furnace. Here's the flue. Came off real easy for me. That is because it just pokes up into the attic and doesn't connect to nothing to the attic. Here's the refrigerant lines and the duct. And yeah, there never was any flue pipe up here. It's that furnace that they just ran the flue pipe into the attic. Just starting to sucker back up after moving the furnace for him. Listen to that Goodman.